welcome to my channel. There's Agari and me, with me being Agari and you guys being me part, because you guys are here joining me this crazy journey called life. And so for today in life, I'm going to be showing you guys a couple things that I got for free, completely free, from Target. So this is actually their new little bag, because apparently they have like new seasons every single time, or like new collections of bags and items. And from what I've heard, the videos that I have watched, is that it just depends which store you go to, what you actually get. So what I got was actually this little blue bag with little white like raindrops kind of, and honestly it couldn't be like more fitting, because I am currently 31 weeks pregnant. If you guys would like to see what I'm not gonna get up because right now I'm not in the best conditions to stand up, because I'm not. I decided to go ahead and show you guys what's inside of this Target bag, because honestly, when I was looking for a bunch of free things, or like how to get free items, I was just like, can I see everything? And like, you know, can you show me what's inside? I have looked through all of this, and so I'm not gonna be surprised. I just don't have the patience, and I just rather know. Okay, so the first thing that I actually found to be so cute was the bag itself. And guys, this is my little baby. This is Zena. She's such a cutie, girls. I'm literally so decided. I like said this is gonna be the bag I take to the hospital with just my baby things, like just a little outfit, and really they don't need anything but a little outfit. So I might even put like my toiletry items in this bag. I just think it's the cutest thing ever. I decided that that's what I'm gonna do. The next thing that I thought was very impressive was this changing mat. And this changing mat, obviously I did open it already because I don't like to wait. Inside of this changing mat, it actually comes with the coupons, and also like little scanning codes so that you can scan it for your registry with the Pamper brand items. So what you do get is a Pampers pack of 6 wipes, and these are so cute. And honestly, I love things like this. Like, I love collecting stuff. So we have wipes, and we have 1 diaper, and all of the diapers I have seen that come in these packages tend to be size 1 diapers, so that you can actually use them on your newborn baby. My sister actually used size 1 diapers right from the beginning, so she never actually got to use her newborn diapers. She just kind of stuck with the size 1 diapers. And this is what it was wrapped in, but like I said, it's a bunch of scanning codes for the Pampers brand wipes, and also the diaper swaddlers and pure ones. So the next thing that you're gonna find here that I thought was the most impressive, well, that was a surprise, I hadn't seen this in a lot of videos, but was this little shirt. They give you this Carter's brand little onesie, and this is a 3-month onesie. So I thought this was super cute. I don't know why I found that more impressive, but maybe because I've been collecting a lot of these from different boxes and registry things. So it's a Dr. Brown's bottle, and this is to reduce colic, which is spit up burping and gas, and it helps preserve vitamins. Yeah, it's actually a whole full-size 4-ounce little bottle. So I'm gonna disinfect all of this stuff, but that's for later. I'll probably be able to do that now that I've showed you guys stuff, because I just didn't want to put anything away until I showed you guys everything that came in the boxes and that came with the specific store or website that I'm wanting to show you guys. The next item that came in here, this MAM bottle, and of course a lot of them are in there depending on the size and shape, but this is actually a 4-ounce bottle. And what's different about this bottle is that it opens from the bottom. What I found to be super cute was this crazy little newborn MAM pacifier, which I've actually heard from different videos that a lot of babies tend to like this one because it's just so tiny. It's literally for little babies like newborns. So again, this is an anti-colic bottle, which I'm planning on breastfeeding, but at the same time I am planning on pumping, because I mean, I have a husband, so you gotta do something, right? You gotta feed the kid. So that'll just help me rest and maybe just even having the baby bond with my husband and anyone else, because then that way he won't be fully attached to me. We also do have these Lancinol breast sample bags and also the, what are they called? Breast pads. So yeah, this is something you might want to carry inside of a diaper bag wherever you go or whenever you actually start to leak. I haven't experienced that yet at 31 weeks, but I hear a lot of stories about that. I'm just actually intrigued by that fact, and I'm wondering when it's gonna happen. And then that hopefully I'm prepared. We also have here these Aveeno baby lotion and also the Johnson's newborn wash and shampoo. And with that, we also have a sample boogie wipes, and it comes with a save 50-cent coupon on the back or on the side. And with that, we also do get an Aquaphor baby rash cream. Actually, I'm a liar. This is just for repairing skin, so repairing dry skin. It's just that I've seen this in like a baby butt rash, diaper rash cream, so that was just actually just a lotion. Here we also have a pack of 10 wipes of Honest. So if you guys have noticed, we have 2 packs of sample size, so it's actually 16 wipes altogether. So here we have Honest, and we also have the one that came with the Pampers, and the Honest ones are pricey, honestly. So that's a really good one to have, just so that you can actually see if it's worth the price for you. For me, I'm just a very simple, frugal person, so I've actually chosen to get the Target brand wipes, but I love all these samples because of the fact that you just get to put them in your diaper bag, or you can take them out, or you can put them in your car, different things like that. The next thing that actually came with this was this Pedialyte powder, and it's actually to hydrate you. So it's for your mom. It's for the mom. It says #1 recommended for hydration. And the next couple things are wrong bag. This is from Bye Bye Baby. Oh, that's competition. Anyways, we do get this little flyer here. What was the most exciting thing for me, and one of the biggest reasons why I wanted the Target Registry bag, was because I saw that they actually gave you a 50% off Starbucks coupon for their in-store cafes. So when I first got this bag, I was literally looking for a booklet of coupons because that's what their old bags had. But the new bags actually have just this little thing right here, and all you do is scan it. And guys, don't even try scanning it, because I already did. You can only scan it once. But with this, it literally shows you all of these different brands of coupons that you can get, like major brands like Johnson's, Huggies, Honest, 7th Generation, and of course you also get your Starbucks 50% off coupon for their in-store cafes. I'm sorry I'm sweating, but the fan makes so much noise. But that's why I was so excited to actually get this specific bag. The way to get this bag is you have to make a Target registry. So all you have to do is either go online and go and create an account with Target, or even if you already have an account with Target, literally the only thing you have to do is create a Target registry through either the website or through the Target Registry app, and you just add a couple items on there, and at the same time you get a barcode where you can go ahead and they can scan it at the Target. But at my Target they actually didn't, and I hear a lot of times they don't. So I keep hearing that you can go to multiple Targets and get multiple bags. I just haven't gotten to that point yet. I did try to go to a second Target, but they had actually run out. And the reason why I wanted to do it was because I wanted to see if they gave out different items. So yeah, if you ever go to different Targets and stuff like that, you can try out and see if you can get more little Target bags. And if you don't use everything, well, at least you have it for your diaper bag, or you can help a friend if you tend to have other mommies around you that have babies and they need wipes or just a diaper, and you just tend to have extras because you have a bunch of samples. But yes guys, this is pretty much all for this video. This is all the things that I got from this little bag. it was really something that I was so impressed with, especially because it was the first one that I got and it was completely free. I just had to walk across the street and like go to my Target and get this registry bag. So I totally recommend it, and yeah, you guys should definitely make a video, or maybe you can post it on Instagram, see what you guys get, and you guys can go ahead and tag me at Agari, and that's actually my Instagram. Or yeah, like I said, make a video, share it with us so that we can compare items. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Again, this is Agari and me, with me being Agari and you guys being the me part, because you guys are joining me on this journey called life. And thank you so much for that. So yeah, go ahead and comment down below what you guys think about all these great items from Target, or if you got anything different or you didn't get something. So thank you guys for watching.